The world is going through a major change in the form of a green revolution in a way. There is a massive growth in renewable energy and from where energy sources and power is being generated, with a great emphasis that's being laid across the world in terms of generation from solar, wind, and also the resurgence of nuclear power, which has very low emissions. So as this revolution is taking place, in line with the climate change requirements that most of the countries in the world have signed up to, there is a plethora of new opportunities coming up for companies like APAR in the transmission and distribution space. Our cables are required in solar installations, in wind installations. We also have a lot of approvals for nuclear power plants. Once the generation is done at these places, then transmission is required to get into the national grids or the regional grids, and that's where conductors come into play. APAR's transformer oils go and grow linearly with the addition of transformation capacity or the addition of transformers across the world. And so again, you've got a major intensity of cables coming in all of these, in locomotives, in railway coaches. Again, electric cars and the wiring required to power these cars requires additional cable infrastructure, harness infrastructure, which APAR manufactures. So in that sense, APAR is in a very sweet spot. The company has believed in its motto, which is tomorrow's solutions today. So over the years, we've actually invested in all these technologies to bring in wires and cables that fit into the whole green revolution. So APAR has two very innovative products. We've pioneered the rollout of medium voltage covered conductors, which dramatically increases safety of conductors towards the last mile of transmission. In addition to that, we also have introduced Anushakti wires, which are E-beam wires that are significantly safer than conventional wires. They are melt resistant. They have a 50-year life, which means that you don't have to discard wires for a significantly longer period of time. They also provide 50% more current carrying capacity, and as a consequence are the safest wires which are out there. We are very excited to actually participate in Elecrama 2023. It's almost 4 years now since the last Elecrama edition. Elecrama is by far the best attended and the largest transmission and distribution exhibition in the world, and it's a great platform for APAR to showcase its products. Looking forward to meeting industry stalwarts, specifiers, our customers not only from India but around the world at Elecrama.